Hello, welcome back. Another Training the Right Way and another video in Capcut Beginner's Guide. I've been playing around with it and I was trying to do a logo, like an intro for one of my videos, and I came across a problem. Yes, I did. And according to YouTube, there are lots of people on there telling you how to do this and none of them work. So I found a way. To do it. There is a problem with audio clips. Right, so if you have an audio clip, well, I'll tell you what, let's go and have a look. So here we are, we're in Capcut. This is the thing that I wanted to create. There. So that's what I wanted to create, and what I wanted obviously is a swoosh, and then I wanted a reverse swoosh. But it's very difficult, because if you go onto the clip, which is from the audio library up here, and you can search for swoosh, swoosh. There we are, swoosh. And sort of get swooshes, swooshing, a deep whoosh. Yeah, thing like that. So you just drag that down. However, when you want to make it go backwards, as in this case, you're supposed to be able to right click on it, and then there'll be a menu option up here so you can get it to reverse. But it doesn't do it. There's no option there, and there's no option up here in the options properties. You can change the speed of it, obviously, make it faster. You can't make it go minus speeds. Well, I suppose you could if you had. Well, you can make it go slower if you increase the duration. I've actually chopped it down. Voice changes for voices, but there is absolutely nothing on there to make it go backwards. But if you're on a video clip, and I haven't got a video clip to show you, or have I? Let me have a look. Have I got a video clip with? Oh, I've got a green screen. Let me try. I'll just drag one over. Let me just drag one over. Yeah. Or I can. Yeah. Let's just drag this over. So this is a audio clip, and even when you right click on it, there's nothing there. You can say, but if we drag this, we'll drag this down to the timeline, put it down here. We haven't got snap to main track because I was playing around with it. Now if we go to here, play it, right? Even if you right click on it, there's nothing here that will allow you to do reverse. Even when you create a compound clip, which is what I thought you would have to do, there is nothing on the properties. Even under channels, it's just, you know, having the channels go to one channel or the other channel. So that's quite useful for some. There is no other options there. There is no option on the menu. You can delete it, you can do AI, and you can do add marker, and you can do a transcript based editing, which is quite good. I'll show you that sometime. But compound clip, right click, nothing there to say reverse. So how the hell do you do it? Or how the hell did I do this? Backwards, because that is definitely backwards to that one. Right, the only solution, let's undo that, put it there. Let's go up to a option. We can have, what do we need? We need something or other. What we could do, we'll do a stock material. What we got there? Black. Yeah, let's use that. So we'll drive that down, put that there, line that up. So that is the thing I want to do. We can obviously cut that, get rid of that bit. Now what we need to do is this one and this one. Then we can create a compound clip. Now you notice that when we've done that, we can then go up here and there's some options. And one of those is reverse. So now it's in reverse. It's actually supposed to be reverse, but can't really tell. So what I'm trying to say is there's a big problem, because even if you have a audio clip, you have to go through this extra steps in order to get this. You can of course then, if you want to just keep the audio but you don't want the video, extract the audio, and then of course you can delete the video. You then have your clip, which clearly is your clip going backwards. And that is the only way that I can see that you could do it. So obviously the people that have done that and have given the solution, other people have tried to give the solution, but they reckon that the option is up on the menu here, and it's not up here. It's not on this menu. It's not on edit. It's not on there. It's not anywhere. It's not on the properties. You just basically, if you have the video clip there, then the adjustment menu, there's nothing on there. Animation, nothing really on there. But obviously the idea here is that you want to be able to reverse it. So the only option that you can do is up here, but it's not available because there's no. Oh, sorry, I haven't clicked. Have I clicked it? Yes, I have. There. It doesn't give you the option to reverse just the video. You can mirror it and you can rotate it, but you cannot. You can resize it, but you cannot reverse it and make it go backwards. Don't know whether that's an issue, whether that's a problem. Could well be. This one here. So you don't get it on that. That's the video, you don't get that. There's no audio to that. If there is audio on the video, then you can do it. So that's the problem, solution, and that's it. Right, I hope that was helpful. It's been a bit of a pain in the backside really if you cannot reverse the audio easily. Obviously bear in mind that if you add audio and video together, then it does it automatically. You can click on it and it will do it. But then it will actually reverse the video as well. So in a way that's quite good. If you had like a rewind thing that you wanted to do, you know, you play a bit and then you want to rewind it, you can do that and it will rewind back up to the start of the clip. Right, yeah, that's it from today. Have a very good day. Bye for now.